thanks for everybody. This has been a terrific trip.